Okay, hey guys, I'm back. Sorry I haven't made any other videos recently. I've been really sick because of this weather. One day it's cold, the next day it's hot, the next day it's raining and foggy, and yeah, having to walk in it. Going to work isn't exactly, great. But basically what he did, I don't know what he did exactly because I was in the house while he was out here working because I was sick. So what he told me was that the fuel pump was actually spewing gas or leaking gas, and that I might have to get it towed to his shop. He wanted me to get it towed to his shop today, but I wasn't able to because I was at work. So basically I'm guessing that, but once he got done looking at it, I came outside and I smelt gas. So, and when I'm guessing that liquid shiny stuff, you can see it, is right underneath that liquid. I'm guessing that probably is gas. So I don't know for sure, but I probably will end up having to get it towed, or will get it towed to his shop. Or I can see if he can tow it, because that only makes sense if he can, considering he's a mechanic. So I'm gonna dip my finger in it right quick and see if that's really gas. See? I don't know if that's gas or not. It doesn't really smell like it. It kind of smells like plastic, I guess. But yeah. So basically, I don't think he was able to fix that. I'm gonna have to get it towed to his shop, and that's what I'll do.